Hi guys, welcome to week 13. In this video, I am going to show you how to take the new slides for this week and put them into the notebook you started last week. Originally, I had a much more complicated way of doing this, so if this works, shout out to Calliope for helping me figure out technology. All right, so you need to open two different slideshows to get started. So let's go ahead and you should see under Unit 2, Week 13, the Hero's Journey Multimodal Essay. Go under Your Work, open it, go under Your Work, and open your slideshow. Okay, so open your slideshow that has your work that you have already started working in. So this should be the version of the notebook where you did step 1 and step 2. Maybe started step 3. Okay, then just scroll back through, find where you left off, check yourself. Did you finish step 1? Did you finish step 2? Did you start step 3? You didn't have to start step 3 yet. Okay, but basically find the last slide you did work on. And so if that's the end of step 2 and you haven't touched step 3, that's fine. You can insert here or you can click here. If you started step 3, go to the last slide that you typed something on or worked on and just click under it, okay? This is important because this is where you're going to be inserting your new slides. All right, so just click after the last slide you did your work on or the end of step 2. All right, then we're going to go back to Classroom and we are going to go to materials needed for steps 3 through 5. Open this slideshow, steps 3 through 5, multimodal notebook slides. Now, this is view only, and I don't want you to make your own copy. The reason I don't want you to make your own copy is because if you make your own copy, then you're going to have last week's slideshow and this week's slideshow, and you'll get confused about which one to work in. We're going to take these new slides, put them in last week's slideshow, so we just have one slideshow. All right, so we've opened the new one. We have the old one open. We clicked either at the end of step 2, or if you started step 3, go ahead and insert it. Like if you already did this part, you don't want to, erase something you already did. This isn't going to erase anything, but let's just be safe. All right, so click where you, either the end of step 2 or where you finished your work. Then we're going to go to File. So click File. Import slides. Okay, so just one more time. Don't do that. If you do, just hit the back button. It happens. All right, so go to the end of step 2, the end of step 3 if you did step 3. Go to File, Import Slides. Click Import Slides. Now, mine has all sorts of stuff here because I have access to so many things, but hopefully for you, the first thing you should see is the other slideshow you just opened, steps 3 through 5. Now, if it doesn't show up, you can just type in steps 3 through 5. Okay, and here it is. Dance while we wait for things to load. Dance while we wait for things to load. Here we go. Okay, so then it says select slides all or none. Okay, well, you want to take all of these slides, keep original theme. You want to keep all of these slides and you want to put them in last week's notebook you started working on. So click all, it'll select all of them, and then click import slides. When you do that, you will find that now, wherever you had wherever you had clicked and made a line, now you have all of this week's slides in here in the notebook you already started working on. So now you can work on one notebook. Isn't that cool? Hopefully that's easier. Thanks, Calliope.